What's up, guys? It's your girl Q here, back with another video, and today I will be showing you all how I do a petal bun on 24-inch soft locks. And first I'm going to start with taking out my old braids. I'm going to use a pair of scissors, as y'all can see, and I am going to show you guys how I take out my old braids, and I'm also going to show you guys how I installed. So here, I just wanted to show y'all. My hair is not done in the middle. I am the queen of not finishing my hair. You can ask my mama and anybody else, but baby, I can fake it till I make it. That's why when y'all seen it, it looked like it was done. So here I'm just gonna be taking out my braids, and so I just cut them out. And I don't, my hair is not long, as y'all can see, so me cutting them this long is really kind of unnecessary, but you know, it's okay. And so after I got them all out, I wanted to, I'm gonna clean that up, y'all, don't worry. I'm gonna clean it up. So I just start taking my hair out, and I try to be as gentle as I can when I'm taking out my braids and stuff, because, you know, you can retain length by being very gentle. So my sister and my niece called me at this point, and they was all on. They was being real funny, but so this is just me taking out my braids. I like to be gentle, and I also comb out the residue and build up very gently, and it's tiring. So here is me with freshly washed hair. I did a big chop in May. I cut all my hair off. Yes, I was bald, honey. And so this growth is actually pretty good. So as you can see, I'm just showing you guys that my hair is washed. So here I'm about to show you guys how I part and install my soft locks. I'm going to use a comb, some 24-inch soft locks that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box, and a crochet hook. So basically I just part my hair and I plait all of my hair down in singles. This is a crochet method, a single crochet method. I know a lot of people like to do the braids and then crochet. I do not prefer that way. I like them all to have mobility and fluidity, so I like to do mine's crocheted in single. So here I'm just showing y'all that these were my last two, and sorry for the angle, y'all. I don't know what I was doing, but I finished those up, and then I am starting on the petal bun. So here you see me about to put my hair up in a high ponytail, so that all the locks are inside the scrunchie that I just showed you. After I put the hair in a ponytail, hold on, wait, y'all. It's a lot. And for anybody who's wondering, these are not heavy. I've done this style a couple times, and it's not heavy when I do it this way. That's why I prefer to do them in singles, because they just feel like I would have regularly just got them done, like if it would have been my own hair. So I'm still struggling, y'all. I'm struggling, y'all. It's okay. We gonna get there. We gonna get there soon. We about to get it up in the ponytail right now. See, there we go. See, praise God. So I finally got it up into a high ponytail, and that's cute, baby. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna take two locks. Well, a couple locks. It wasn't two. It was like 8. But and I'm just gonna wrap them around the base of the ponytail to give me just a little bit more height on the bun. I like this way because it just seems more stable. I feel like it's more stable if it has a little bit more height. So now I just tuck the extra pieces into the part that I wrapped around. So here you all are going to see me show you guys I'm using rubber bands, just some regular black rubber bands. So in order to form the petal look, you're going to take a small portion of the locks and you're going to wrap them around your finger in an up and down motion. You then take a rubber band and you tighten it over where you've just made the loops. So after you've gotten the locks around your finger and you've made the loops, as I said, you want to make sure that you secure those said loops, and they should be looking like bunny ears at this point, with a rubber band. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, guys. I'm about to go off camera and do a couple more, um, because it was just so hard trying to look at it and film it. But again, I just made those loops. As you see, I'm grabbing them all in my hand, and I'm going to secure a rubber band over those loops right here. If I can get the rubber band to work. So you just scoop them up and you put the rubber band over those previous loops. So here I had already did a couple more, and yes, when I do this, I leave a couple pieces hanging down. I don't fully loop the whole thing. I leave a couple sections apart. But as you can see, again, here I'm looping it around my fingers, and then I'm securing it with a rubber band. And I'll go through this several times. You'll see me do this a couple more times in this video, to just show you guys how the petal buns were formed. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Okay, guys, so here you see me finishing up. I'm just tying up some loose ends, trying to make it look neat. And this is basically the end of the style. You just want to make sure that the little pieces that you have hanging down, you take them and you tuck them in to the initial base that you created when you were making the high ponytail. So right now I am getting the barrel twist right together on the side, honey, and there you go. All done. And I think this turned out so nice. I loved it. This is a side view. This is the view from the back. Like I said, I still need to, make sure everything is up properly. But here is me in a little outfit. I put some butterfly clips and a few gold accents on it too, and I thought it was just so cute. I will be wearing this look for a wedding that I'm going to soon, and I think it is just so elegant and so gorgeous, and I think it is going to look so amazing for this spring wedding that I am attending. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and like, and also leave me comments and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try this style out also. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.